After teasing the arrival of the Poco F7 for the past few days, Poco has finally confirmed its launch date for the Indian market on June 24th. Poco F7 comes in black and white and the special edition. Poco F7 boasts a 6.83-inch OLED display featuring a 120Hz refresh rate. It also has a 1.5K resolution, an in-display fingerprint scanner, and an IR blaster. The Poco F7 is powered by the Snapdragon 8's Gen 4 chipset, with up to 16 GB of RAM and 1 TB of storage. Run Android 15 with Xiaomi's HyperOS on top. The device is equipped with a dual camera array. It includes a 50MP primary sensor with optical image stabilization (OIS) and an 8MP ultra-wide lens. Additionally, it sports a 20MP front-facing camera. Other notable features include Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.4, and a 6,550 mAh battery with support for 90W fast charging. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.